Alright, Chase is here. Do you know why, Chase?
Yeah.
We are going to add to our Funplay HideAway set. You want to unbox that?
Yeah.
Alright, we've got the Waterfall Skylands. Do you know how to do it?
Yeah.
Let's see. You need help?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Run.
Look.
Can we build it?
Yeah.
Come on. We have 3 pieces of waterfall.
I think your shirt's on backwards. I told Chick he was naked. He said he wanted to do a video. I said, okay, I got this thing here. You could do a little unboxing. And he said, okay, Daddy, I got a shirt on. And then it's all backwards. All right. This is made by Power A, the same lovely folks who made all this awesome stuff here on the table. Oh, that's the instructions?
Yeah.
Let's get a quick look at the box and then we'll proceed. It has a breakaway ambush bridge right there. Look at that. The figures can hide in a jewel-lined cave. And yeah, that's awesome. It's got a little water slide to tumble down. What is that? You're gonna piece it together?
Yeah. I got this. I want my finger duck.
Your finger's a duck? Your finger duck? Chase, what's a finger duck? Oh, did you mean stuck? Yeah, you got it. There you go. Now you gotta put the waterfall on.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I can't tell where this thing might go. It's so hard. It doesn't fit in there, right?
Oh no, I have to put this.
Oh, dude, how did you know that?
Because.
So easy, a 3-year-old could set it up. But Chase, look, this doesn't fit here.
Yeah, look.
What?
See?
Oh, on that side?
Yeah.
Dude, you're so smart.
I want to put Skylanders on it.
You want to put Skylanders on it?
Yeah.
Press it. Whoa!
Dun, dun, dun.
And 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Ah, double trap!
Do it again.
Wanna do it again?
Yeah.
Alright, Chase, if we're gonna be trapping things, we can't be trapping Skylanders, right? We gotta trap the right way. Dun dun dun! I must have soda! Can you say that?
I must have soda. I must have soda.
Oh! We trapped the gopher! Wait, quick! Grab a water trap! Quick! Tussle sprout!
Whoa,
Ow! Chase?
No, I still want to talk.
You still want to talk?
Yeah.
What do you want to talk about?
Like, chill.
You want to talk about chill?
Yeah.
Okay, talk to him about chill.
So chill like have this white and then run it and my iPad always that on my and I always play trap team and I trap. Tom says 2, Bombshell, and Rainmates.
So basically, chill is white and blue.
Yeah.
Your iPad always dies, and you play trap team, and you trap Chomp Chest and Rage Maze.
And Bombshell.
And Bombshell.
And you can put your finger on it over right here.
That's a feature of that ship that you could put a finger over right here.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's why this ship is so cool, because you can put your finger right there.
How about,
So if you didn't know.
Check about.
So there he is.
He can't see that. Can you Tezabel can see?
Tussle Sprout can't see?
No.
You want me to get closer?
Yeah.
Is this good?
No. No.
How about now?
No. We're on there.
Is that good?
No, we're on there.
Put it back on tripod?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, say bye.
No. I want to talk again.
You want to talk again?
Yeah.
Okay, talk to them about this thing.
So guys, I go to Wax and Mike. I go be by them with this.
And then are we gonna eat this for dinner?
No.
It's good.
No.
Yeah, popsicle. Try it. A popsicle.
But Waterfall.
What are you talking about?
No.
Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Oh, you want to still do a video?
Yeah.
What do you want to talk about?
Like fight.
Food fight?
So we're a food fight. And how about talk about we go with food fight, but food fight go with test about. Check it out.
Check it out. Okay, that's so cool. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.
This is Lassie. Peace out. Bow.
Oh, I thought you were gonna stop me again, but I guess that's it. All right, peace out.
Peace out.
Thumbs up for Band-Aids. Right? Do this. Say thumbs up for Band-Aid. You know how to do a thumbs up, Chase?
Thumbs up for Band-Aids.
Like this, with your thumb up.
Thumbs up for a Band-Aid.
You snapping? Try like this. No, like this.
Super Bowl, touch about.
No, Chase, ready? Like, Chase, look. Chase, like this. No, like this. Oh, we gotta work on that. Peace!
Peace.
Look, Chase, I could cut you.
Burn me rubber.